Hello everybody, it's Dr. Frederick Covington, your occupational therapist. Welcome to another edition of the OT Genius Box. Let's get started. So today the material that we're going to be using are your small pictured manipulatives. So the first thing that we're going to start off with is actually having them in a pile. Once they're piled together, and we are going to match each manipulative to one another. Like so. Now, once your little one has the manipulatives separated, we're going to do something a little different today. We're not going to match them by the way they look. We're going to match them by the way that they're shaped. So what we want to do is turn over one of each of the matches. Now, after that part, we are going to separate the figures that are facing upward where your little one can see the picture. Once that's done, we are going to take the ones that are turned face down and we're simply going to mix them up. And we're going to place them in a line in front of your little one. So what your little one has to do now is find the match just by using the shape to find the particular match. And this might take some trial and error, but as your child goes through it, they'll build confidence and there won't be any level of frustration. So let's give it a try. And there you have it, folks. This is a short activity that can be used as a warm-up. And the way that I did it, your little one may not take such a short period of time to do it. It's going to be some trial and error as they learn and understand the relative nature of the shape. That's it for today, guys. Short and sweet. Thank you for joining me for this particular edition of the OT Genius Box. We'll be seeing you next time. Take care.